We've got about 7 or 8 crew today doing a variety of things. Some people are caulking, some are going to be pitching later. There's a few sanding the next beams that'll go in, and we're cutting the edges of the stairway as well. So a lot going on. We're not going to get all that done today, but I hope we can get most of it done. It's a good crew, we're all working hard, even in this hot weather. Or it's more than 4 foot, isn't it? So what's it millimeters? Okay, so hold it tight and go like that. Good. It's all slow work, but we've done a fair bit. We're able to pitch some stuff next week now. We're doing it slowly. We're getting it done and it's moving forward. Well, Tony and Tony have been getting on with putting the pitch down today. Now, what we actually do is, when we butt up the deck planks, there's a V between them. And what we do is we fill the V with this caulking, which you'll have seen us doing, hammer that down, and that leaves about ½ an inch, or a bit less than that, on top, that we then pour pitch into. And what they're doing now is they're heating up the pitch so they can pour that into the grooves that are left. And then that makes a totally watertight seal and stops any rainwater or proper water getting down into the bilges. So while we're working here, Jack's busy in the engine room, so we'll hand you over to Jack now.
Today I'm in the engine room with the Spada T. On Wednesday I briefly came and did the stern gland. One of the nuts was loose and I tightened it up. I set a timer on my phone to see the distance in between drips, and the initial drip was 6 seconds, which is bad because, well, a 6-second drip over 24 hours could be the difference in the ship flooding overnight when no one's here and it not flooding. I'm going to get my timer, I'm going to check, see the distance in between the drips and then adjust the gland accordingly if it needs to. I'm going to check the bilge float, make sure that's working. So now we've put the bilge pump into manual, which then manually forces the water out the engine room. and then make sure the grease is actually going from the grease tap correctly to the prop shaft, and then we give this 4 turns, and that's the grease tap, because the grease acts as a waterproof barrier which stops water from coming into the ship engine room and causing the ship to sink. Well, no one wants a sinking ship. So give the left one a quarter turn.
Quarter clock,
Yeah.
quarter clock on the right.
And then do the grease.
And then grease it up and
Yeah.
see where you...
Yeah, no worries.
We're conscious that there'll be a lot more footfall around here now we've done the marina up, the marina jetty here, and so we're taking a bit of security precautions, and we've got a camera, security camera, that we're going to install today so that we can put it up there and monitor the pickle from there, because the pickles are the most vulnerable. Spider's quite secure, it's locked up, so we should be fine with that. Okay, so let's go and do it.
Taking like 100 children out.
Drop it. There it goes, somebody picking up there.
We'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you can like and subscribe from videos that you watch, that would really help us.
Second security camera is going up today, all here, ready to go. It all just neatly fitted in the end. So that's good coverage, covering both vessels 24/7, 360 degrees on. So it's pretty good for identifying things. It saves to SD card. We had a bit of difficulty setting up it, but it's always tricky on these things, getting the connection to the Wi-Fi network, especially when it's not your network. But it's done, all up and running.
If anybody wants to come and help us and become part of what we do here, we're more than welcome to talk to you. In fact, we look forward to talking to you. We're here every Wednesday and Saturday, and you can sort of be part of this living history. So this afternoon we've taken out one of the beams, you can see it here, and that came from across there where we've covered that over for security this evening. So when we come back next week now, we'll put one of these beams into that space and gradually move the whole thing forward. It's the end of the day, and my tools are here ready to take home now. Tools on the bar. What we'll be doing today as well is we've put up another camera. This is for safety, so we've got now a coverage on both ships so we can see anything that happens on either ship. Tools are all packed up ready to take home, and that's it for today. That's a wrap, as they say. If you enjoy these videos, then what would really help us if you tick the like button and subscribe button, because the more views we get, the most coverage we get, and we need all the help we can get.